Howdy folks, so we are here at Bijoux Falls between Dawson's Creek and Prince George. We basically just stopped for a quick picnic and to have a look at the falls. Check it out. Let me just this is just next to the road. You've got these beautiful waterfalls there in a little picnic area. Oh, look at that. Stunning. There's one thing about Canada is there's some absolutely amazing nature areas. Just look at it. Beautiful little waterfall. That's why when you do this trip you must actually do it with a lot of time, so you can stop everywhere and just chill. And then I don't know what all the locks here are about. Check all the locks. Interesting. But anyway, folks, Bijoux Falls. Beautiful. Stunner. Anyway, cheers.